good afternoon, YouTubers, Facebookers, party people alike. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, sharing my video, and giving me them sweet old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me that's automotive related, you're more than welcome to hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger, and I'll happily try to answer them for my subscribers. And remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too, that I promise you. So I think this is a pretty great tip. We're going to show you how to remove these seals out of here without dismantling the rest of this vehicle to remove them. And I think this information is useful on just about any seal and show you how to quickly remove. I can just simply drill a hole in here. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Here's the reason why my seal went bad. Every single thing that is ever broken fails for a reason, and as you can see, them little marks at the top there are the reason this failed. A couple of months ago, I put new head gaskets, etc. in this, and I created this situation for myself. We want to make sure that we check all around where our mating surface is and make sure that we don't have any more nicks or bruises. And you can take your camera and just look right up underneath there, see if you have it there, and then right underneath here. No matter whatever time you're replacing a seal, you want to make sure that you don't only fix the problem. Why is it a problem in the first place? Doing that every time you work on anything, even if it's an alternator that failed, will save you tons of grief. Did the voltage regulator go out? So forth, so on. Water pump fail? Did the bearing go bad? Or was it a front end accident? You know, whatever the situation is, not only fix the problem, figure out why it's a problem in the first place. Now you want to go into the plumbing section at your hardware store and grab some plumber's abrasive sand cloth and use that to clean that off. Now we want to take a look at our work, make sure them grooves are gone, run your finger over the top of them, taking your fingernail and sticking it down inside the grooves to make sure you don't feel that lip anymore. You need to take it down until you don't feel it at all, because this will tear up your gasket or your seal. Because that's up in there a little bit, I'm just going to take a screwdriver and rub it over the top there so I can feel the highs and lows. Okay, if you can't get underneath there because it's a lip, you can take a screwdriver and hold the screwdriver on top of your emery cloth, and you can pull it out, and then that will allow the emery cloth to clean it up. You can use this screwdriver as kind of like a pressure point to get that ridge down. Seems to be all better now. You can still tell it was there, but it's below the surface. Now we're going to take some of our first aid brake cleaner and clean out our metal shavings. And for good measure, I always install grease around the inside to keep the spring from popping out. Putting the grease down inside there won't hurt anything at all. It'll actually just hold the oil back and help the seal stay lubricated. To make sure that I could install it all the way and true, I made sure I found something that fit down inside there and in the grooves, and it still left a little bit hanging out of there. If my video ended up helping you, please consider reaching out to me on Patreon, throwing me a small donation. You can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on Facebook Messenger. I'm happy to answer your automotive related questions for my subscribers. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first of you, and if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless and have the best of it.